Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah. Today I'm participating in a collaboration with several other content creators, and we are bringing you a Sunday reset. Welcome again to my YouTube community. Welcome if you are finding me from the playlist. As I said, I am participating in a collaboration with some other content creators called Sunday Reset. So we're all bringing you different kinds of motivation to help you sort of get in the groove and kind of start thinking about the week ahead. Thank you to my friend Angel for hosting this collaboration and organizing all of us. I will have her channel linked in my description box, as well as the link to the playlist so you can check out everyone's videos when you're done here. If you're finding me from another channel, then please say hi. I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing. I hope that you feel encouraged and find some inspiration here on my channel, and especially from this video. I am bringing this to you in sped up time so that, one, you feel encouraged to get up and get moving and get going and getting your week underway. And two, I want to make it a little bit more timely so that you can check out the other videos in the playlist, because it is going to be a great one. I know I've mentioned before that anytime that I feel like I need to reset or just gain some ground in my home, I start in the kitchen. And this particular evening, I had been at work. I remember that I tried starting the dishwasher the night before, and when I woke up this morning and went to go unload the dishwasher, I never started it. So I had to start the dishwasher in the morning before I left for work. And then this evening when I got home, I unloaded it and kind of got the kitchen in order. And I also am finishing up a load of laundry that you'll see in just a little bit. We had a busy weekend. I tried to catch up a little bit on Friday, because I knew that we would have some extra laundry, but I ended up starting it and then finishing up today after work. I should also mention that even though I am participating, and I'm super thankful to be participating in this Sunday reset collaboration, I typically do my household reset on Mondays. And I work outside my home a couple of days a week, but Monday is a day that I'm at home, and especially during the school year, the kids are gone, my husband's gone, and so I can just kind of put my nose down to the grindstone and get some stuff done. Now, as I said, usually my reset happens on Monday. This particular week, when I'm filming, Monday was extremely busy, and so Tuesday, after I got home from work, is when I am finishing up and getting my house reset and ready for the week. So I just wanted to say that too, because you just saw my husband run across the screen. He was just getting home from work as well. Also, in the midst of this sort of household reset and get ready for the week, I am making dinner for all of us. So not only am I cleaning up beforehand, but I'll also finish up cleaning dinner afterwards and get the kitchen all in order again. This particular evening, I am making chicken enchiladas for us, and they turned out super good. It's a very easy recipe. I will leave it in the description box if you're interested. So with all that said, I would love to hear in the comments if you want to share. When do you usually do a reset on your home? What type of things do you do? What works for you? For me, laundry always gets done in the beginning of the week, because then I can check the entire task off of my to-do list. And I just am kind of going through this one load pretty quickly today, because I've done a couple of different videos on my laundry routine, so I'm not going to share that completely in this video just because of redundancy. But let me know what kinds of things you like to have done so that your house feels fresh and ready to go for the week ahead. After finishing up the laundry on this evening, we actually did take a break to eat dinner, and as you can see by what's left over, it was indeed delicious. So I just want to get this packed into the refrigerator. Someone can eat it tomorrow. My daughter might bring it for lunch, and then get the kitchen cleaned up once again. The other thing that I just want to share with you really quickly is I'm going to gather the trash and take the trash out before the day is over. That's another thing that, because it happens early in the week at our house, taking the trash out and putting all fresh liners in the trash cans always feels like a nice reset. It's quite possible that I wouldn't be able to finish this chore without my helpers in tow. As you can see, we have a bonus pup this week. We are taking care of my in-laws' dog for a short time, and she's been a pretty good house guest, and my dog and her get along just fine. So we're having a good time with that. They both just follow me around like I don't know what I'm doing or what I would do without them. So there's that. But anyway, I wanted to move down and take the trash out in the laundry room and clean out the litter box. That's something I do each week. The other thing that I want to do is just hit the laundry room and downstairs bathroom with my cordless vacuum. I love this stick vac. If you've been around my channel, you know, and I will have it linked in my description box. It's super easy. It has a really good suction and it has a really good run time as well. But I like to use it in here after I clean out the litter box, just because with the cat in and out, if you have cats, then you know they just kind of make a mess inevitably. So I just like to hit the laundry room floor with that vacuum real quick. The other thing, once I'm finished taking the big trash can out, is I have a paper towel or 2 paper towels lined in the bottom of my kitchen trash can, and every time I take the trash out, I like to put a couple drops of essential oils in the bottom. For one, the trash can goes into my pantry, so it kind of leaves the pantry smelling a little bit more fresh. And for two, just in case there is something that kind of starts to smell in the trash can that we don't catch in time, that essential oil smell helps to diffuse the stinky if there is any. Thanks again, guys, for joining me today as I reset and get my house ready for the week. I hope that you got something done too, or this motivated you to do so. Be sure and check out the playlist and Angel's channel in the description box below. Subscribe before you leave, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.